everybody, I have got some penny shopping to share with you from Friday. So if you're interested in the stuff I was able to find, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. It sure would mean a lot to me, and I'm here most days showing y'all how we can save money, get things for a penny, or even free. So just click subscribe, set the bell to all notifications, and you will be notified every time I upload. I also found these when I came in. Green. Oh, that's a penny. Holy ball sacks. Are these purple? Yeah, those are purple. That's that other stuff. I think some of these. And to think I wasn't even going to come out because I didn't feel that great. That would have been a mistake. That would have been a big, big mistake. Also, don't forget about these. These don't have a brown dot, but they are following. They're just like little picture frames and picture frame holders. Here is your UPC for those. So I looked up here and I saw all those carrot cakes. I had to get them down with my extendo arm. Right there is a Swiss Miss marshmallow hot chocolate. I've been finding all of the cake mixes down the regular aisle, like on the sky shelf and random places like that. I will be linking my back scratcher in the description in case you're interested. I got it on Amazon. I'll link this in the description. I bought a 6-pack of these on Amazon for $6.99. Alright y'all, so I was walking down here and I noticed a penny toy item. These went a long time ago. It was this little glow-in-the-dark snow and stars.
Those are all brown on.
And here's the UPC for those shower curtains.
Broken.
So I noticed all of this Easter stuff just on the clearance table near checkout, so I hurried up and grabbed all that. But now I'm thinking I should have scanned that little memories picture frame clipboard thingy, but it might not even be one. Sometimes I see stuff and I'm like, oh, I think that is, but then I scan it and it's not. So that could be, what it is. But either way, I was very happy to find some little Easter baskets so that I can donate them to church. Alright, y'all, so that's everything I scored at store 1 on Friday, and it all just so happened to fit in this video really nicely. So, fun fact, the district manager was at this store where I was shopping, and she came up and talked to me, and they were like, we really love our penny shoppers, and she brought me the Easter grass, and she was like, hey, I had this in the back, do you want to take this too? Because she knows I donate to church. And she was just like, I'm so happy that these things can be donated and given to people who can use them. And so tell me how they get in trouble for selling penny items when you've got the district manager giving me pennies and begging me to take them. Now, this, I think, goes down to being kind and considerate and straightening as you go, because now at this store, they've been putting up handwritten signs thanking me for straightening and organizing. So it does go, without saying that people do appreciate this stuff, guys. And then just every once in a while, you'll run into someone who just like restores your faith in humanity because they're so kind. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. So if you're having a bad experience, just know that somewhere right around the corner, there is a lovely DM and a wonderful store manager that will most likely make your day. All right, y'all. Well, I sure hope that you did great, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.